Now, Anna had a tough time getting acquainted with formulas. She decided to get serious and memorize them. Two of the formulas she committed to memory were length and breadth, the area of a rectangle, and length, the area of a square. Simple, right? Like the areas of rectangle and square have formulas, Ohm's law also has its formula. Now I'm sure you want to know. V equals IR, where V is the voltage in volts, R is the resistance in ohm, and I is the current in ampere. Now let's take some examples, shall we? Now if the resistance of an electric iron is 50 ohms and 3.2 ampere current flows through the resistance, find the voltage between 2 points. Solution. Given parameters, resistance R equals 50 ohms, current equals 3.2 amps. Therefore, voltage will be equals to what? I times R to give us 160 volts. That's straightforward. Let's have one more. Calculate the current flowing through an 8 ohms device when it is connected to a 12 volt supply. Solution. V equals IR. Therefore, change of subject of formula, we would have I equals V over R, where I will now be 12 divided by 8 and you have 1.5 amps. Today, we have learned that Ohm's law has its formula, V equals IR, where V is the voltage in volts, R is the resistance in ohm, and I is the current in ampere. With a knowledge of two of the parameters, you can find the unknown parameter. I'm sure you enjoyed and understood the calculations. I'll see you in the next class.